The market never sleeps. Stocks rise, fall, vanish. Every once in a while, one name cuts through. AMD, up 900% in searches. Some say it's just a surge, but maybe it's something deeper. The fall and rise. AMD, once a challenger chasing Intel and NVIDIA, enters the AI revolution. The MI325X chip whispers, "We're still here." Psychology of competition. Humans love comeback stories. Investors bet on hope. Persistence rewriting destiny. Business psychology meets spirituality. Philosophy of creation. Every AI chip mirrors our mind. Building intelligence is a reflection of divine design. Progress is philosophy in action. Religious and spiritual reflection. Knowledge without wisdom leads to ruin. AI is neutral. Human intention shapes it. Faith plus creation equals AMD's rise as a metaphor. Human parallel. AMD stock is more than numbers. It reflects human evolution, hunger for progress, will to rise. The AI war isn't just tech, it's inside us.